Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can rotate your screen on iPhone. Sometimes we need to rotate phones. Rotate your screen, not phone. When you rotate your phone, also sometimes you need to change also your phone screen. So why you want to change? I just explained to you. Just now I'll show it to you how you can do it like this. So if you want to rotate, then you can go to control settings and the top you can just slide up to bottom, then showing many options. All right, here in showing many option, you see like this lock icon and arrow, circle arrow. So currently it's a lock, that's why I can anything rotate. So if you want to rotate, then you can just unlock this option. Yeah, this orientation locked. So now if you want to change look, so yeah, it's done. Pretty easy. So you can do it like this. If you face any problem, you can just comment on the video comment box and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.